Welcome everyone, I'm Alfred. Today I'm going to talk about our lead finder. Welcome to Lead Finder. Meet Alfred's built-in prospecting tool that helps you find and target the right leads without depending on LinkedIn's search limitations. Our AI-powered engine gives you access to a broader database of contacts that go beyond your LinkedIn network. You can easily search and target thousands of leads, filtering by job titles, location, industry, company size, and more. You'll also have the ability to access enriched contact details like email, phone, and company info when available. To get started, just set your filters like job title, location, and click search. Lead Finder will bring in results that match your criteria. You can preview each lead's contact card, visit their LinkedIn profile if needed, and select the leads you want to target as part of a campaign individually or in bulk. Once you've selected your leads, click Create Campaign and you're ready to build your sequence. As part of your sequence, you can leverage different automated steps like viewing profiles, sending personalized connection requests, and more. Once you're happy with your sequence, proceed to give your campaign a name and you're ready to publish. Keep in mind that features like enriched data and search volume may vary depending on your plan. If you have any questions about this feature, please feel free to contact our customer support team who is standing by to assist you. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.